Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something absurd. Okay, let's go back in time. We ordered a snack box from Mouse Marketplace. Didn't go well. I was expecting authentic treats from the park, and they were Disney-inspired treats. Turned into a whole fiasco. At the same time I had ordered that box, their treat box, I had also ordered a merch box from them, which is more in comparison with like Bibbidi or Magic at Your Door, same kind of stuff. But after the video came out for the snack box, they refunded the money for my snack box, and they stopped the merch box from shipping and refunded the money from that one because they didn't want me to have it. So, recently I attempted to order... I dropped the ball. I went to order a Mouse Marketplace merch box, and somehow I screwed up and I ordered myself another snack box. But there's good news for this, because number one, it's been like 3 or 4 months, and since all that stuff happened, I know that they went through quite a bit of changes. Now their verbiage is Disney inspired, and it's all very open that they have their baker, and so here's the cool thing. So I just found another company now that just started doing Disney-inspired snacks. So, because like, comparing Main Street Treat Company to either of those doesn't work, because Main Street Treat Company is authentic Disney Parks snacks. These, both Mouse Marketplace and Bite Me Foods, I love saying that, are both Disney inspired. And there's nothing wrong with that, as long as they're upfront about it and they're honest about it, because there are some amazing bakers out there. I'm not opposed to trying anything from anyone. My opposition is when they're charging either the same as or more than Disney prices for Disney inspired items. That's where it starts to get a little gray for me. But, so here's what we're gonna do. I got this box anyway. We're going to check it out, give an honest look at it. I'm not going to hold any grudges or anything like that. I really don't to the company. I did feel duped at the time, but since then, the company has changed the way that they portray themselves. So, we're going to do this one in this video. The other snack box will be here very shortly, so we're going to do them back to back. So, you should be seeing this on a Saturday, then this coming Wednesday, you will see the Bite Me Foods box. The one thing I can tell you before we get fired up, this box cost me $75 and free shipping, and it says 10 plus items. The one from Bite Me Foods is $64, so $11 cheaper, and it says 12 items. Now, that may not mean anything, because who knows what the size of the snacks are, or anything, but they both have free shipping, so one is $75, one is $64, and we're going to start with this one, Mouse Marketplace. Okay, if you're still with me, we're ready. Let's take a look at the box. Alright. Mouse Marketplace. So, box is in good shape. As soon as I received it, went straight in the fridge, just like I do all the other boxes from snack companies, and occasionally a box that has merchandise in it, because I got the wrong one, and I thought it was something else. Mary got a box called Bubbles and Bling, and I shoved it in the refrigerator because it was pink, and I thought it was Main Street Treat Company. This, I almost forgot, it's coming up right now. Alright, here we go! This actually works out pretty good because I am fresh out of treats around here. Whoa! I need a safety scissors. Alright, we have styrofoam. That's a good start. I wonder if it's a cooler pack. Ready to check it out? We'll find out together. It is a cooler pack. So that is a good sign. This... So it's styrofoam all the way around. So this is the actual box. I wonder if there's a cold pack or anything in here. Or if the styrofoam just does it. Man, they were not messing around. I know that a lot of companies have been struggling this year. It has been so hot in basically all of the US that the whole thing has just been a fight to the death. Trying to get these. Plus UPS has been extremely slow. Okay, we're whittling our way down to where the treats are. I really appreciate that though, because, I mean, like, that's a lot of good packing material. We're almost there, I promise. I think. I guess we can do it again, right? Alright. So the last time we ordered from them, we got some cake pops that fell apart, and oatmeal cream pies. They did have a bag of popcorn from the park, just a small one. So let's see what we got here. We will start. Well, let's start here. Okay. So, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. I don't know if you count those individually, but okay. So this looks like a sugar cookie with sprinkles on it, and a little bit of maybe no, not. I was gonna say maybe frosting, but no. They're in good shape. I will. There's 2 of them, so they're just little sugar cookies. I'll put them on a plate and put them in the photo box so you can take a look. Boop. All right. And then there are, so we've had these before. So there are 2 oatmeal cream pies. They feel pretty soft. They're chewy. So that's good. I'll throw those on a plate in the spinner. Boop. So I think what we'll do is we're going to cut these into 4 after I'm done filming and after I take the pictures in the photo box so that you have a whole picture of it. And then the 4 of us will rate them between 1 through 10 on just one number for each. So just all together, taste, texture, quality, all that stuff. So we'll list that in the description down below because I can't really, well, I don't know. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Oh, there is an ice pack underneath all this too. So there's a little bit of meltiness, but not real bad. I mean, like I said, it's been very warm. This looks like this is a little bit mushed up, but it's not bad. It looks like maybe a caramel drizzle. I wish they had, I'll put it in the photo box. Boop. And maybe it is on the site what each thing is. I'm going to say cookie. Oh, and there's 2 of those. So 2 of the sugar cookies, 2 of the oatmeal cream pies, 2 of these, which I'm assuming are some kind of caramel something going on there. And then the most exciting thing to me, these look Gideon's inspired. They're definitely not Gideon's cookies. I'll put it on the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. They're not big enough to be Gideon's, but they have that same look of just tons of chocolate chips. I'm hoping Yeah, they're soft enough. So these could be really good. And check it out down below, see if they are. And there are 2 of these. And I like chocolate chip cookies, and I bet you these are actually going to be good. So I'm excited for those. Then we have a Rice Krispie treat. That is a little more melty than the rest. You can just see it's kind of stuck to the plastic. But again, it happens. And caramel is one of the toughest things. It's got such a low melting point. Yeah. The Rice Krispie itself is pretty hard. Not concrete, but it's pretty hard. But you never know. We'll see what it tastes like. And they look cute. That one's Mickey shaped at least. That's the only thing that's Mickey shaped. But again, these do look similar to Gideon's. The other ones just look like cookies to me. I mean, they're not, for me, they're not Disney or anything, but maybe they're delicious like Disney stuff. So here we've got macarons. That's pretty cool. We are connoisseurs of macarons in this house. My daughter makes them quite often. The plastic's a little bit sweaty, but you can just see that it's kind of, I don't know if you can see that or not. Not really. A little gooey in there, but they smell good. So there's 4 different flavors in there, and they're all different fillings, but it doesn't tell me what they are. But it's 4 macarons. You know what? I want to take a bite out of one just because I'm curious. You know, macarons really come down to the texture and the kind of the snap of the outside of it. I'm gonna try it. So. That's really good. So the crust on the outside still retains its crack to it, and the inside is chewy just like it should be, and there is no air pocket in the shell, which is the mark of a good macaron. So when that one is in the photo box, boop, it's gonna have a bite out of it. All right, I have to say, and here's the ice pack. It's like a gel-based ice pack. And it seems to have done its job. So, I will say, this is a whole lot better, by far, than the last one that we ordered. Packaging is phenomenal. They're doing a very good job with that. The macarons, that's Disney. I love that. The Rice Krispie treat, that's Disney. Gideon's cookies, definitely Disney. It's these 3 that just, well, 6 total because there's 2 of each, that just feel like fillers to me. But they may be your favorite cookie, especially, I know that they sell a lot of these oatmeal cream pies. You can buy them, like, by the dozen on their own, just those. Maybe I'm just more picky. You know what I mean? I don't know. But, I'm not super angry at all this time. Last time I was. All of this will get eaten, and not bad. So, this is what we're going to compare. So, these snacks at $75 with free shipping, and then watch our next video, and we'll compare them. See what you think. If you'd like to take a look at the last time I reviewed them, I'll put a link down in the description below to that video. That one was not chipper, so if you're looking for a chipper video, don't watch that one. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here, and if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.